Okay, this is the Berkey unboxing, and cut the tape here. It's always exciting when you get a new Berkey water filter because once you have one, you have a hard time being without it. So if you have two homes, you are probably going to get two filters. First thing here, we have a little invoice. That's nice. We've got some nice padding. It's packed well. That's good. We've got here our fluoride filters, which is excellent. And some padding, and then the actual Berkey filtration system. Awesome. So, this is the Royal Berkey. And open it up here. Okay. Presto changeo. One swift move where we got everything we need. Okay, what do we have? We've got our lid. We've got our upper chamber, which is tucked neatly into this chamber here. So they separate here with a little bit of effort. And that's designed for storage and for shipping and all that. But there's a lip here at the bottom that makes it just slightly bigger. This may be a two-person job, but it's coming. All right. And there we go. So there's our lower chamber. There's our upper chamber. And then we have our filters inside. So when everything's said and done, the upper chamber will go on there. The filters will go in it there. And then the spigot and stuff will go on there. So I will do an assembly video now and make sure to check that out. Thanks. Okay, this is the Berkey unboxing, and cut the tape here. It's always exciting when you get a new Berkey water filter because